Welcome. We've been running these lists. I'm Mark Michael, CEO, co-founder of DevHub. We've been running these lists. It was actually started as a kind of a experiment between myself and marketing, wondering which brands, either A, that we power, B, that we don't, and whether they're core web vitals. Again, one of the basics of basic websites, the basics that a brand is passing or failing. We build to Google standards, LLM standards. We never wanted to build a company that was scared of Google or what came next. Obviously, AI came next, and we have been ready for it. Our customers are winning. This post was really interesting because this one kind of went more viral than some of the other, rankings of these brands. And again, I personally don't look at it like, oh, it's a ranking of, where these brands, how fast they're growing, whatnot. It was just interesting for us to pull the top 10 brands in a specific vertical and run their core web vitals check via the same tools you do. So again, to make it a level playing field, we wanted to share a little bit of our methodology behind these posts because there will be more. So number one, we are picking a franchise category. We've done, I think, junk. We've done senior care. Restoration, for some reason, got a lot of traction on LinkedIn in the last 24 hours. Then we are typically looking at how many locations a brand has open via their FDD, via Google AI, just search overviews, how many locations, and just kind of cross-referencing that. And then we're pulling a page that most of the brands within that category have open. And then we're running that in Google's URL PageSpeed Insights to see if it passes or fails core web vitals. This was again what we did for Service Master Restore. Again, just plugging in a URL, Duncanville, Dallas, West Dallas location, service area, and understanding, okay, wow, it passed. Great. And then that's it, and again, it's not an indication of how well the franchise is doing or anything like that, except that, the basics are being covered at this location. The biggest caveat to this whole thing has been, this is a report, like if you see right here, as of July 20th, 2026 at 9:23 a.m. Look, this page could do better a minute from now, 10 minutes from now, an hour from now, again, with a few tweaks, maybe with no tweaks. Again, somehow it's being ran again at this moment in time to determine how that site is doing. So again, if you're looking for a Q4 website upgrade, the basics have been neglected for 2, 3, 5 years, right? You have pages are bloated and you're not getting the leads that you used to, and you're worried about AI, devhub.com. We are always building to Google web standards, LLM standards, and never wanting to build a website that was scared of what was coming next. And we believe we built the greatest platform for franchise and multi-location brands, as it will be the last website your brand will ever need.